guys, this is Punjab, Pakistan. As you see, early in the morning sun is rising, but very very much clouds in the sky. So you can see, and this is our new solar system installed. So these plates, 1 2 3 4 5 6, I think these are 550 watts each. And here you can see this is the main control unit to change the current from solar to electricity. He is the expert, Saf. He is changing this starting tube well for early in the morning, want me to take shower. So before reaching at the tube well, I want to show you the plates installed here and how this system works. After cutting rice, now wheat crop and sugar cane are cultivated. Very much fog, and